Can I renew my passport if it's expired? Hi, my name is Valeria and I work on the onboarding team here at HelloGov. Yes, in many cases you can still renew your passport even if it's expired. The main things to check are when it was issued and how old you were at the time. If your passport was issued within the last 15 years and you were at least 16 years old when you received it, you'll usually qualify to renew by mail using the form DS-82. If it's been longer than that, you would apply as a new applicant instead. So really, it just comes down to checking that issue date.